Hello, Scorpio Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Star PH. Kamusta po kayo? Diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for March 2025. Ano po yung mga wishes nyo and plans na gusto nyo matupad this month? Yung mga dreams nyo na gusto nyo ma-achieve ngayong buwan na ito? Use my comment section as your manifestation board at isulat nyo po dyan yung mga pangarap and wishes nyo, and we'll see kung totoo pa rin ni God ang inyong mga dasal this month. So, post nyo po yan sa baba, and let's all pray for the manifestations ng inyong mga wishes. Thank you po pala sa mga nag-like, nag-share, nag-subscribe, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity and kindness. And also po, use your intuition sa ating reading today para makuha nyo po yung right messages na bigay sa inyo ng yung spirit guides sa ating reading for this month. Yung ibang mga informations para sa ibang Scorpio po yun. So, use your intuition. Inhale, exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Ace of Wands. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Moon. In the area of what you need, you have the Tower card. In the area of your recent past, you have the Page of Swords. In the area of your near future, you have the Star card. Wow, wish fulfillment. In the area of your challenge this month, Scorpio, you have the Eight of Swords. In the area of your fortune, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Swerte, kapirahan, things going in your favor. Kung ano man mga balak mong gawin this month, matutupad yan because you are being favored and protected by the divine. In the area of your advice, you have the Page of Wands and the Hermit card. Ito yung outcome this month, Scorpio. You have the Justice card. Wow, good karma. Balance is restored. And your bottom of the deck, you have the Five of Wands. So maraming mga siguro tinatrabaho ko ngayon, competitions with other people, or you're looking yourself sa mirror and telling yourself, buti pa sila nag-a-advance sa life, buti pa siya na-achieve yun, buti pa si ganito, nakatapos na, buti pa yun, ang ganda ng mga ng pamilya niya, o yun, buti pa sila nakabili na sila ng ganyang kotse, may bahay na sila. So you're having this constant competition with other people, and I want you to focus on yourself more, focus on your improvements, focus on the things na gusto mo makuha sa life mo kaysa i-compare mo yung sarili mo sa ibang tao, okay? Because your path, your fortune, and your abundance will come to you and only for you by God at the right time, okay? So, now is the right time for self-improvement. And kung meron ka mga dadaanan na parang creative disputes with other people, learn to get the lessons from them rather than the fights or the diskurso o mga di pagkakaunawaan. You will learn from other people and use that to win. Kasi mo, siya nasa gitna at abot na abot yung apoy. Sabihin, siya yung panalo kasi natutunan niya yung mga mistakes from these other people. So, this time, focus on yourself and celebrate your small wins. Kung ano yung mga meron ka, i-celebrate mo yan because those are parts of the blessings na kaloob sa'yo ng Diyos. Okay? At the center of your reading, you have the Ace of Wands. Meron kang bagong idea na gusto mong i-try this time, or whether may passion project ka na ginagawa o meron kayong tinatrabaho and you're thinking of this idea na makakatulong sa'yo to level up o to come out on top o be the chosen one, kung ano man po yung mga linya ng tinatrabaho mo this time. For others, I'm seeing you trying to come out from a situation and try to have a new life, parang bagong simula, bagong ways of living, or you're trying to have a new job somewhere else na kakaiba o ibang-iba dun sa nakagawian mo na o yung nakasanayan mo ng job from before. For others, you are ready na. For others, Scorpio, ito, you're ready na for a new love life or a new job. Parang you're opening up yourself to new things and new possibilities. For Scorpio, oldies natin dyan, you are now having this parang fire within you to try something new. I know very mahirap now ang inyong life, also with your health, and parang ano pa bang kailangan kong gawin para pagkaabalahan. Now, meron paparating, whether Zumba or sa community nyo, you will be invited for halimbawa a certain project and community project, and you will have that parang opportunity and enthusiasm to go there and try it. So may malaking pagkilos this month, malaking mga engagements and actions and mga passion projects and things na pagkakaabalahan mo this month. So the Ace of Wands being clarified by the Emperor, yes. You need to have that discipline, control, and trust in your own abilities to do the things. Wag mo ipagpasa bukas, wag mong ipagpasa walang bahala o mamaya na yan o wala kang masyadong tiwala sa sarili mo. Now is the right time for you to take action on these ideas and things na gusto mong simulan because it's gonna be fruitful. You're gonna come out of this winning this thing. So, have that courage and initiative and trust that you can achieve the things that you want. Nasa sa'yo lang, feeling ko nasa sa'yo lang talaga yung end point, whether or not you want to do this or that thing. May decision ka na, may plano ka na, pero kailangan mo ay Emperor mode, action, okay? In the area of your conscious and subconscious, in the position of what you want, you have the Moon card. May mga questions ka na gusto mo na masagot, may mga alinlangan ka, may mga bagay ka na hindi mo naiintindihan now. Whether sa journey mo, sa bagay na yan, kung ano yung mga pinapatunguhan mo this time, o tinatrabaho mo, pinagalaanan mo ng oras, atensyon, pera, pawis, o kahit ano man, o pinapahalagahan mo, and you're thinking, may patutunguhan pa ba to? Ano ba ang endpoint nito? Mananalo ba ako dito? Will I get the result that I anticipated and that I want? So, you have this para mga questions in your mind. Things na walang sagot. So, you are being encouraged to be faithful with your plans. Be trusting more sa iyong sarili, sa iyong kakayahan. And trust God with His divine plan para sa iyo. Hindi man darating yan sa iyo ngayon, hindi mo naiintindihan kung kailan at paano and when, di ba? So, just trust God and trust the process, okay? Scorpio, the Moon card is being clarified by the Ten of Pentacles. If it's all about your lifelong dreams o mga bagay na pinaplano mo for your family o yung pangmatagalan mong legacy plans, whether a retirement plan o pagbili ng sariling bahay o pagbuo ng sariling negosyo na naiisip mo na mapapakinabangan mo at ng family mo ng pangmatagalan at hindi mo naiisipin yung in the future, diba? Yun yung mga concerns mo eh. Kung halimbawa, stable na ba tong job na to? Stable na ba tong negosyo na to? Is this relationship for me stable enough to trust that it will go for how many years na hindi ako mag-fail sa bagay na to? So, ang dami mong concerns sa bagay na yan this month. I'm seeing that parang paulit-ulit mong inaalala or na-stress ka for that thing. But what you need daw, ayon sa iyong spirit guides, you need to have this tower moment. Tower in a sense, you have to change whether your mindset or your approach to things, kung paano mo ina-acquire yung isang bagay. Sometimes, masyado ka sigurong pessimistic o nega yung approach mo sa isang bagay, kaya maraming aberya kang munang naiisip at nakikita kesa naging positive ka sa pagkuha ng bagay na yan. Nagiging negatibo yung dating, kaya siguro may mga delays. So, for others, I'm seeing there are a lot of changes in your life right now. Whether sa trabaho, maraming bago sa ganto ganyan, or you're not getting the result that you wanted. Sa bahay man yan, sa pamilya, maraming nangyayaring pagbabago na hindi mo inaasaan, o parang you're thinking you want to control things so that it will come out the way you wanted it. But the spirit guides is encouraging you to let the tower fall, let it crumble, let it change. Don't resist change. Don't be afraid of those changes na nangyayari because God is doing this. Since meron siyang lightning, galing to sa langit eh. So yung lightning na yun ay at yung change na nangyayari ay divinely orchestrated. It needs to happen in order for you to embrace and rebuild another tower kung saan mas abundant, kung saan nandoon yung mga hinihiling mo na higit pa sa nauna mong pinangarap at dinasal. So, trust the process, trust God. Kung may mga pinlano ka and ang daming changes, ang daming pagbabago, just trust the process. Don't question it. Don't question it the way na parang you are questioning God or questioning your path or your purpose or your goal or questioning yourself more. Marami ka kailangang ayusin, yes. But when things change na iba sa original mong pinlano o sa gusto mo, just know and have peace within you that it is God's way of telling you na hindi yan yung plano ko sa'yo. I have better and greater things for you. The Tower card is being clarified by the Ten of Cups, 10-10. This is a angel number telling you that you're about to enter a new life cycle. So 10-10 is about ending something and starting anew. So, makukompleto mo na yung isang bagay, yung hardship patapos na, yung tinatrabaho mo patapos na, you're gonna near the end of this journey, near the end of this goal. So, rejoice kasi this tower is for the things na gusto mo ma-acquire for you and your family, for the stability and the happily ever after that you are anticipating. So yung mga changes na yun, kailangan daw yan so that new things will come, so that it will also address yung mga bagay na gustong-gusto mo. So parang halimbawa, kung itong area ng bagay na to, hindi mo masyadong pinapagtuunan ng pansin before, God is like crumbling that down so that pagtuunan mo siya ng pansin at mabuo mo siya ulit so that the next time on the new cycle, hindi na siya magko-crumble, hindi na siya kailangan pa mabuwag kasi napagtuunan mo na siya ng pansin. Ganyan. In the recent past, you have the Page of Swords. There was a communication or may inaral ka in the past and you're thinking, kailangan ko ng skills na to o kailangan ko ng credentials na to for me na magawa ko siya o maibigay sa akin yung project na to halimbawa or yung job na to. For others, sa negosyo nag-focus ka so you went on studying a lot of things. Pinaghandaan mo kung paano ba kumita ang ganito, yung kapital, ganyan, paano mo madodoble yung kita para next time mas malaki yung kita mo kaysa yung nilalabas mo, ganyan. So you worked hard on something, you studied a lot about something. I'm also seeing meron mga information ka na nalaman in the past, whether sa chat, sa text, sa group. There was a lot of communication for you in the past that changed your perspective somehow on a lot of things. Kaya meron kang gustong simulan dito na bago, parang na-enlighten ka na, ito pa rin dapat kong gawin kasi may mga nalaman ka in the past. Whether sa, I don't know why, pero I'm hearing sa relasyon mo, may mga na-discover ka o may mga nalaman ka about your family or your relationships or about your kids, and then that prompted you to act on it. Parang okay, may bago ka ng plano, may bago ka ng gustong gawin at inaksyonan mo siya. So, may mga bagay, it is all about information and communication that you went through. And that changed your life. That changed the things na gusto mo nang i-achieve in the future. So the Page of Swords is being clarified by the Seven of Pentacles. Talagang tinignan mo, itong bagay na to, may mararating ba to? Parang you are questioning din yung mga trabaho mo, yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Paano, saan pa ba to? May bunga pa ba tong bagay na to? Is this in my best interest pa ba? So, you acquired this information so that these things na pinagkakabalahan mo ay lumago, o kung may kailangan ka bang ayusin in the past, tinry mo yung gawin. And now you have this parang clarity. The dogs are barking. I'm so sorry kung naririnig niyo yung mga kumakahol na aso. I can't do anything about it kasi yung mga aso sa labas yan, and they're very stubborn din pag ganito mga oras at kahol sila ng kahol. So in the past, there was this information of things na dumating sa iyong life, whether good news or something about your workmates or your friends or your family members, and that made you question to mga bagay na pinapangalagaan mo, whether family, friends o trabaho o mga ari-arian, and you're thinking, yung pang pagod ko o yung effort ko ba ay napapaltan o na-equate o nabibigyan din ba ng pansin at meron bang patutunguhan ito? And now you have this new idea on how to come out of this situation, and you worked on it. Parang ikaw, nagkaroon ka ng sigasig and lakas ng loob to. Parang, okay, ito din gagawin ko. This is the way I want it to be para mag-come out yung result na gusto mo. In the near future, Scorpio, you have the Star card telling you na kung ano yung tinasal mo, kung ano yung mga wishes mo will come true. You just have to put your whole heart on it and trust God that it will be given to you at the right time, at the right moment na kailangan mo siya. So make sure that hindi nag-unwaver o hindi nawawala o nade-diminish yung paniniwala sa Diyos at paniniwala doon sa dasal mo, because of what you think will be manifested. Kung ano yung mga iniisip mo, yun ang matutupad. So make sure that kung ano yung nalalaman ng isip mo at how you view your dreams and your wishes ay naka-align doon sa paano mo siya gustong makuha, and that will come out the way you want it to be. For others, I'm seeing you trust yourself more this time. Kung ano man itong mga diskurso o mga conflict o competition na napagdaanan mo in the past, you are trusting yourself more and trusting your abilities more this time. And I'm seeing you so hopeful with the future. Bukas ka sa mga paparating at bukas ka sa mga gusto mong matanggap from God. So the star card is being clarified by the Seven of Swords. Trust yourself more. Make sure that yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, yung mga taong totoo sa iyo at talagang you have proven your relationships with the other people, because Seven of Swords is all about like stabs, backstabbing, people that are not truthful to you, mga nag-gossip sa iyo behind your back, ganyan. So make sure that the people around you are your tribe, the people that you trust more, the people that you rely on to. Na pag nakatalikod ka, they are still the same person kapag nakaharap ka, okay? But for others, Scorpio, kung ano man daw itong hinihiling mo at gusto mong matupad, gusto mong makuha, make sure that you are working on it with a decisive and clear, and creative and clever plan. Kailangan daw yung plano mo ay doable, attainable, reachable, at yung talagang alam mo na very makakatulong sa'yo sa pag-acquire ng mga dreams. So because you can't just have wishes and dreams and then wala kang plano. You know what I'm saying? Kailangan may concrete plan ka and clear actions in achieving what you want. Okay? In the area of your challenge this month, you have the Eight of Swords. I'm seeing you, ang challenge mo this month ay pagkatiwalaan ng sarili mo. There are a lot of self-limiting thoughts and negative thinking within you na nagpapahirap sa'yo in acquiring what you want. For example, you think hindi mo kaya o wala kang resources kaya hindi mo to magagawa, o halimbawa, kasi wala akong ganyan kaya hindi ko yun pwedeng gawin, halimbawa, or merong mga bagay in the past na nasabi sa'yo, dinikdik sa isipan mo na hanggang ngayon yun pa rin ang paniniwala mo. And you have to let go of those negative thoughts. Putulin mo to mga lubid and piring sa'yo. And you will see that, ay hindi pala ako ganun kahina. Ay hindi pala ako kulang. Nasa akin pala yung mga kailangan ko and resources na kailangan ko to do the things na gusto kong i-acquire. You are enough. You have the skills. You have the talent. Hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo ni God, yung mga dreams na yan, yung mga wishes na yan, yung mga plans na yan, yung job na yan, kung hindi yan nakatadhana for you. So, give God the service and the gratitude of going forward and trusting yourself more, because may tiwala siya sa'yo, so dapat may tiwala ka rin sa sarili mo. Okay? The Eight of Swords being clarified by the Eight of Swords. Wow. Clarify niya yung sarili niya. Huy, pagkatiwalaan mo daw ang sarili mo, sabi niya, I said what I said. So, putulin mo na yung mga negatibo mong iniisip. You are enough. You are good enough. You have a lot of possibilities within you and you can do it. Okay? In the area of your fortune is the Wheel of Fortune. So, napakaswerte mo this month, Scorpio. So, kung ano man yung mga balak mong gawin, it will come out in your favor. Kung may balak kang simulang negosyo, yayabong yan. Kung meron kang gustong applyan, makukuha mo yan, because the Wheel of Fortune is telling you that you have everything that you need. You are being favored by the divine, that what you want to achieve will be achieved this time. Congratulations. So, the Wheel of Fortune is being clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, whatever the things na gusto mong alagaan, lalago, yayabong, tingnan mo siya, nakaupo siya sa kanyang trono, and everything around her ay mayabong, maraming halaman, maraming bulaklak, lush yung paligid niya. So, everything she touches, kahit naman po gender nyo, ang element lang ay Queen of Pentacles, the energy of Queen of Pentacles ay yayabong. Everything she touches turns to gold. So, nakaayon sa iyo yung tadhana, Scorpio. So, it is really a beautiful reading. Kung halimbawa nag-aangad ka na magtrabaho abroad o ma-approve yung isang visa mo o hihintay ka ng medical results, it will come out in your favor and you will get what you want to achieve this time around. So, congratulations. In the area of your advice or divine, you have the Page of Wands and the Hermit card. Huwag ka daw masyadong nakukulong sa sarili mo o nilalayo yung sarili mo sa ibang tao, o halimbawa pinanghinaan ka, o huwag ka masyadong pessimistic Scorpio, huwag ka masyadong negative sa mga bagay na gusto mo ma-achieve. Be happy, be excited, go for the things that you want. Huwag ka magkaroon ng inhibitions. Don't be fearful. Kung may dumating na new opportunity, be open, be excited. Ay, okay, sige po, gagawin ko yan. Oh, sige po, kung merong bagong sideline at inaanyayahan ka o inaalok ka, go for it. Huwag ka masyadong magkulong sa mga sarili mong mundo o sarili mong problema o wag mo masyadong i-guard ang sarili mo, i-isolate ang sarili mo. Be open, play more, enjoy life more, Scorpio, okay? The Hermit card is being clarified by the Five of Cups. Yes, don't focus on the things na negative. Focus on your strength. Focus on the possibilities. There's a lot of things na paparating sa'yo. So, be open, okay? Huwag mo masyadong isipin yung na solo ka lang, mag-isa ka lang, kulang ka, mahina ka, ganyan. You're thinking of existential crisis at this moment. So, don't focus on the negatives. Focus on the new things na possible things na pwede mo ma-acquire with whatever talent ko nung natapos mo. There are a lot of jobs out there. Huwag mo isipin na walang trabaho for you. O halimbawa matanda ka na and you're thinking wala nang bagay na naghihintay sa'yo, wala nagmamahal sa'yo. Open up yourself to the community, sa barangay, sa mga kaedad mo. Maaring magkaroon kayo ng community play, tennis, o kaya play Zumba, ganyan. So, find your tribe. Find the things that will make you excited, okay? With the Page of Wands, you have the King of Pentacles. Yes. Know that you have enough and you have the right recipe within you and for you to achieve the things na gusto mo. So, hindi ka kulang, hindi ka mahina. At you have the things that you want and you have the every plans na pwede mong ma-acquire. Hindi mo pwedeng isipin na hindi mo kaya because King of Pentacles, kaya niya lahat. She's very practical. Kung ano man ang gusto niya ma-achieve niya because may tiwala siya sa sarili niya. Okay, Scorpio? Your outcome justice ay pag-usapan natin later. Let's have additional messages from the Divine. Number 8, convert niyo po ang 8 on number of significance. Pwedeng birthday, pwedeng edad o halimbawa anniversary, ganyan. If it's or address, kung importante po sa inyo number 8 is a confirmation that this message is for you. Bobcat, kung nakita po kayo ng Bobcat anywhere, pictures, internet, personal, o napag-usapan, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Life is a mystery. So, wag kang panghinaan ng loob kung may mga tower moments o may mga gulo sa life mo na o pananghihinaan ka o hindi mo na-achieve yung isang bagay. You know that life will give you the magic and the surprises that you need. So, trust more in yourself and to God. Okay? Another message, forged in, go slow, take time. So, kung may mga bagay ka daw na let this crumble. So, kung may mga dinadaanan ka na, just let it happen. Let it go. Let it flow. Don't force things. So, hinay-hinay ka lang din sa mga bagay-bagay so that hindi ka rin nabibigla at hindi ka rin overwhelmed. Okay? Itong moment na to, itong part na to, ito daw yung mga bagay na kailangan mong pag-focusan this time, Scorpio. Happiness. I am aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. Like I've said, marami ka mga bagay dito. Don't be fearful. Enjoy life more. Okay, Scorpio? Your outcome here, justice. Things will be restored in your life. Yung mga pinakait sa'yo, yung mga diskurso o mga competition, conflict na you end up losing in the past. Now is the right time for you to get up, stand up, and restore the things na nawala sa'yo in the past. Whether health o kaya time for you to fight for the things na legal. Kung may hinaharap kayo legal battles now, it's time for you to work on it. Find the best legal counsel, people that are knowledgeable in law. For others, balance will be restored. The truth will come to you and now parang meron ka ng right purpose o parating sa'yo sa life mo this month, Scorpio. So, clarify natin yan. The Justice card is being clarified by the Nine of Wands. Yes, yung mga hirap at pasakit na naranasan mo before, you're like telling yourself, kaya ko pa. Things will come out better this time, ganyan. So, you are the wounded warrior here. You've been through a lot lately. And laban ka pa rin, go pa rin and grow. And you will realize that God will give you the right things for you. Yung parang good karma. Parang you will reap the rewards dahil napatunayan mo na kaya mo and napatunayan mo na seryoso ka sa mga bagay na gusto mong makuha and that you worked hard for it. So, rewards will come out for you, Scorpio, this month. So, congratulations. Saan po kayo nakarelate? Comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. This has been your March 2025 reading. Maraming magagandang bagay na paparating para sa'yo. So, thank you again for the likes, for the shares, and subscriptions. Thank you again for your not skipping the ads. Thank you for your generosity and kindness. See you again next week for your first of the month of March reading. This has been James for James Starter PH. God bless everybody.